In this example, I'm going to show you how to make alignment in Excel. First of all, I wanted to adjust the height of this row number 2 to make it a little bigger. So I'm going to click between row number 2 and 3 right over here, and I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag it down. So as of now, all the data I put in row number 2 are bottom aligned. How do I know that? They are towards the bottom of the cell. And it's also this alignment button show me towards the bottom of it. So let's say I wanted to change all of that. So I'm going to select all of those cells by just dragging my mouse and selecting that. And I can try them. Maybe I'll try in the top or the center or the bottom. So that is how you change the alignment, the vertical alignment. But if you want to change the horizontal alignment, this is left, this is center, this is right. And of course, you wanted to keep it at the center. Here, I wanted to change the format of the date from the short date into a long date. And all the dates appear in the column D. So I can change all of them at the same time. So I'm going to select the entire column D first. And I'm going to go to this formatting button here. I'm going to click the date button, and I can choose long date. I'm going to click on the long date. By doing so, I'm seeing the pound signs. The pound signs mean the column is not big enough to show all the content in that cell. All right, so we are just going to expand the column D. So I'm just going to click between the column D and E in the column area. I'm going to simply double click that. By doing so, the column D is now wide enough to show the entire data in that column. Next, I wanted to show you how to change the number format. Let's say I wanted to have all the 2 decimal points in all the cells that I'm going to select. I'm going to select cell number G3 all the way through G11. Again, I'm going to select cell number G3 first, and I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag all the way down to cell number G11. As of now, not all the cells have 2 decimal points. They're all mixed up. So if I wanted to increase the decimal point, I'm going to click on this increase decimal function here. I'm going to click once. The minute I do that, I have all the numbers into 3 decimal points. I only want 2 decimal points, so I'm going to click this right button to decrease the decimal point. Last but not least, I wanted to show you how to change a number into either currency or the dollar sign. And if I wanted to change it into the currency or the dollar sign, I can either click on this dollar sign here, or I can click the drop-down arrow next to that general button here, and I can choose either currency or accounting. The only difference is if you click on the currency, the dollar sign is next to the number immediately. But if you choose the accounting, the dollar sign will be pretty far away from the number, like an accounting format. This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.